Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so hello 3,900. We talked last week. If the bears didn't show up, if they didn't do something about the pressure that was getting placed on price, if they didn't convert key areas, that 3,900 was open for business because it's what was next. So we go up last night. We print 3,900 half. Not surprisingly, they bring it back down. They traded it back into the 85 area. Hourly chart, and you can see we got a huge concentration of numbers about 100 handles below. You've got the new weekly pivot, which is 3809.83. The daily mid-band, the 20-day simple moving average, is down at 3810, and the 9-day is tucked just underneath that at 3807. The bands, they expanded. They tightened up on Friday. They didn't do much, and they really haven't done much here. You had a little quiet band ride during the Super Bowl. They brought it back into the hourly mid-band, which is trading 3891.34, and it's just kind of sat there for 6 hours. So not a ton of progress overnight, although you got to really respect the ability to go up there and print that roundy. Not a lot of give back either. So as we head into Monday, I'm expecting some whip and some chop, fighting over that roundy this morning, and then figuring out what it wants to do today as we get deeper into the week. What do the bears need to do? It's the same story. It's the same story I've been telling you guys for months. Pick two lines on the chart, bears. Unfortunately for you, we're up trading at 38.92 half, and the lines are down here again at 38.09. See, this is stuff they really needed to deal with late last week, and when they blew it, when we opened up Sunday night here, they really just, with a little consolidation, they V'd them, they consolidated, they reached, they did the 3,900 on them. And if the bears don't focus, if they don't focus with give back, this is what happens. This is what happens. If they don't actively turn it into a two-sided market, we will just continue to, in a vacuum, organically, this market will trade up. It just will. So the bears have a huge task. They have 80 or 90 handles of price to chew through before they're really even on the radar of making this into a two-sided market. If they can do that, if they can get on the underside of the weekly pivot, if they can stay there, convert that and move it through, then they have a chance to have a decent week. What do the bulls want to do? The bulls just have to hold serve. They don't want to be giving back too much. They need to come in and routinely buy these dips. If what we've got here is a move up to the 3,900s up and through into this 3,950 area, they haven't engaged the upper band yet. Upper band is sitting at about 3,910. What you want to see from them is you'd want to see them start some kind of an upper band ride that's going to carry it towards 3,950. Not today, but you want to see them start. You want to see them engage the upper band today. So I think to do that, they're really going to have to print probably 14 or 15 if they're going to do that. And then what you want to see is them consistently reaching for that upper band, and that can carry them up to the next big area at 3,950. So once again, we're in blue sky, all-time highs, and we'll have to see what the reaction is. But what you had here, in my opinion, is when people get concerned that that's all there is as far as a pullback is concerned, and the bulls are very easy to dump their positions because they're weak shorts and the whole thing, this is what tends to happen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going on 6 consecutive up sessions, really with no fight back from the bears at all. So expect some whip, expect some chop. You got volume weighted average price 38.93.64. Proprietary moving average is sitting at 91.64, with the hourly mid band just below 91.34. The roundy is going to be a big deal. The 85.75 low from about 4:30 in the morning, if that's reached, the bears don't want to turn that into matching lows. They don't want to start establishing floors underneath this market this high up here. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. We'd love to meet you. Love to see you. You want to learn this stuff, this is where you go. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.